We have one booking here, but I want to show you exactly how this is going to work, which is the capacity bar or the availability bar above. So right now you see it's green and has a trailing 0 as I kind of mouse over. These are all options. Everything you see, you can change colors, you can change numbers, you can turn things on and off. This is the default setup we're working with right now. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to duplicate this booking. I'll drag it over a bit. Actually, we'll just make this a little bit smaller just so we get a little bit more on. And now I'm going to duplicate it again. And I'm going to drag it over. Now within Hub Planner, you can have different allocations. So this is useful when people are scheduled on different tasks. So you're going to have Andy's going to work 50% of his time on project X and 50% of his time on project Y. In this case, so we'll change this to 50. And we'll do all the maths for you. So you can pick hours per day, a total number of hours between 2 points. In this example, we'll just leave it at percentage. So the bit to draw your attention to is this bar appears up here. So this is constantly going to give you the feedback on how the resource is allocated, and if you've over allocated them, under allocated them. And again, you can change all these colors to whatever you want. So you see here, green is telling you that Andy is booked at capacity. Then red starts to scream out like, look, you've overscheduled him. Let's resolve this conflict. Blue is telling you that it's partial availability. He's underscheduled because this is just a 50%. And then white is free space. So this is a really nice way to kind of see very transparently on the scheduler feedback straight away about who's scheduled and who isn't, and kind of digest that really quickly. And it allows everybody to make quick decisions and move things out so people are not over or under scheduled.